Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you pop of pink nail art design Valentine Day step by step guide. If flaming hearts and on the nose nail charms are not your style, Goldstein has just the manicure for you. Of reverse French style, told you we'd get to the reverse French by first painting two coats of a base color over the full nail. Once the pink layer as the slumber party on dried, added two coats of red OPI in Viva OPI, leaving just a millimeter or two of visible pink. Watch a very soothing tutorial on Goldstein Instagram to see how it's done. Let's move to style number 2. Get your groove on. The retro vibe here evokes a lava lamp, or at the very least take a trendy design and uses Cabot's favorite color to meet the theme. Nail artist Diana Izzy breaks down how she drew the artful stripy shape. I used a detail brush with red polish to create this thrill. Once the red was completely dry, trace the red with pink, coral, and purple shades while making sure to keep the width of each swirl as equal as possible. Let's move to style number 3, Smiley Hearts. This courtesy design done by nail artist Kate Smith, known on Instagram as Kate Beauty, is whimsical and so easy to achieve. All you need a very steady hand and very thin brush. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.